Working into the back loop. In this video, we'll show you how to crochet into the back loop of your stitches. When following a crochet pattern, you'll find the abbreviation BLO used when the next stitch or stitches should be worked through the back loop only. You can work into the back loop using any of the basic crochet stitches and techniques. To demonstrate, we will be using single crochet stitches, US terminology. We'll also use a contrast colour to keep things nice and clear. Looking at the top of each stitch, you will see each V shape has a front leg and a back leg. Instead of working through both legs of the V, you'll insert your hook only under the strand at the back. Now we'll work a single crochet as normal. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops to complete your stitch. You have now worked into the back loop of a stitch. Repeat this as many times as your pattern requires.